Have you ever second-guessed whether the information in your document or presentation is accurate and up to date? Do you spend valuable time manually reviewing and updating content only to worry that inconsistencies still remain? It's a tedious process that drains your time and focus. But it doesn't have to be this way. This is where the Verifier comes in. It ensures that every piece of content in your documents and presentations is accurate and up to date, designed to save you time, eliminate inconsistencies, and uphold the highest standards of your brand while removing the hassle of manual verification. With the Verifier add-in for Microsoft Word, users can seamlessly verify the accuracy of their documents. Once signed in, they can check if their content is up to date by scanning the Wizard, Content Chooser, or Image Chooser elements. In the Update section, users simply click Verify Now to initiate a scan of the entire document for outdated content. If outdated elements are detected, users can choose to update specific content blocks individually, maintaining full control, or use the Update All feature to apply updates across the entire file with just one click. For future use, users can decide whether to update their document manually or automatically, providing added flexibility and convenience. In the Assets section, the Verifier displays all content linked in the document. If specific content blocks need to be disconnected from their sources, the unlink feature allows users to remove links while retaining the content. This ensures both documents and presentations remain clean, accurate, and fully aligned with organizational standards. These powerful features also extend to PowerPoint. With the Verifier for PowerPoint, you can ensure your presentations contain the most up-to-date content and data. Additionally, it verifies that every slide or slide deck inserted through the slide chooser aligns with the latest versions, giving you confidence in every presentation. Whether you're preparing a company overview, a financial report, or a sales pitch, the Verifier guarantees that each slide reflects your organization's most current branding and messaging. If you want your team to be confident that every document and presentation contains the most up-to-date content, ensuring brand consistency and driving better business outcomes, the Verifier is the app you need.